Welcome to LinkCage, a local security tool that traps malicious links and saves your browser. Unlike other isolation tools that lock you into paid enterprise plans, LinkCage is free and runs locally. Let me head to the Chrome Web Store. Search for LinkCage and click Add to Chrome. This extension acts as your browser's personal security guard. It's the connector for Chrome, Edge, or Firefox that intercepts untrusted URLs and routes them safely away from your primary browsing environment. So, how does it work? LinkCage seamlessly traps phishing, malware, and browser exploits, or any link you want, into an isolated cage. It does this using three lightweight components: the browser extension, a native messaging host on your machine, and a hardened Docker Sandbox container where risky links go to die. Here is the best part. Unlike other solutions that ship your browsing data off to someone else's servers, LinkCage requires zero cloud services. Everything happens directly on your machine. No third-party tracking, no sneaky telemetry, and absolutely no cloud footprint. Setting it up is a breeze. Just open your terminal, clone the repo, and jump into the LinkCage directory. Because it's 100% local, your private data never leaves your laptop, giving you total sovereignty over your web security. Run the setup script to instantly verify your prerequisites and spin up a zero-CVE Chromium image inside a secure local Docker network. A quick status check shows my isolated Sandbox container is live, healthy, and ready for action. Let me test it out. Here I'm using safe links, but it works exactly the same with unsafe ones, and when a link is risky, you don't want to click it directly. Just right-click, select LinkCage, and choose Open in Sandbox. The tool instantly triggers a local reputation check and fires up the site inside your isolated container. You get full visual interactivity, but the live code is completely quarantined. When you're done inspecting, simply hit Close Sandbox Browser. The entire container is instantly vaporized, along with any malicious code it pulled in, leaving your real browser completely untouched until you open the next link. Before finishing here, if you have questions, feedback, or spot a bug, you can send me a message straight to the vault on the linkcage.app site to drop me a line. I'm actively building this out and love hearing from the community. Stop playing roulette with untrusted URLs. Trap the link with LinkCage today.